How to buy an Instagram account on Fameswap. So hi guys, the first thing that we need to do is to simply open our browser and type in fameswap.com. Once you've clicked on enter, you will be here in their landing page basically. So this is their landing page. The next step that we need to do is to simply log in or register if you don't have an account yet. Now, in order for us to look for our accounts that we're looking for, we can click on the browse icon in here where we can find in our menu bar. Okay, now let's click on this one and it will be routing us to a separate page afterwards. So here we can see social media accounts for sale, and since we would like to focus more on our Instagram account, you can actually just simply click on this box or icon in here, or you could also untick all the boxes for YouTube and TikTok and leave out Instagram. So I will be using this method instead, and by then it will route us to a separate page, or it filters out all the Instagram accounts. Okay, now you could also actually filter it out by escrow accepted, original email included, audience report available, and whatnot. So here you could also choose the audience size. So if you're looking for a million followers and more, then you can click on this one, but I'll just leave it to all for now. Now for the categories, you can also untick the boxes that you don't really need and just leave out the box that you would like to have for the category that you're looking for. So here we have humor and memes, quotes and sayings, fitness and sports, models and celebrities and whatnot. So let's say, for example, we're gonna focus on art and creativity in this area. So it will route us to a separate page that focuses on art and creativity. Now here we can see our username, the type, the audience, price, and when it was listed basically. So for example, we are going to click on this username or this one. So here, so actually only premium account users can see the username of the Instagram account. But if you are just free user, then simply you cannot see this one, or it will be left out like this. Okay, and as you can see, the ownership has been verified. These are the number of followers that this account has. The price is only seen when you have logged into Fameswap, and this was when it was listed. The category is also shown. Now there's a few description here, and as you can see, its original email is included, escrow is also accepted, and there is also an audience report basically. Now to know more about the seller, you can actually see it here in the sellers section. So this is the trust score of the seller and the location and when he or she started basically, and you can see when he or she was last active on Fameswap. So if you want to talk to the seller about the account, then you can simply contact the seller. And if you want to make an offer, there's actually usually a button in here which you can make an offer. So you just need to click on that one and make an offer, or you could also talk to the seller and make an offer as well. So that's about it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.